back to Crafty Home ARK. In this video we are showing you 3 different paper tricks. Can you guess how to solve this paper? First, fold the paper into half. Take your scissors and cut it in the center. Now we'll cut 2 parts of the paper like this. Now we have to twist the paper. It's ready. Now you can give this to your friends and ask them to solve. Which is bigger in this paper? Now check which is bigger. Actually, both are of same size. For this we need a glue, scissors and 2 paper. Let me stick the glue in the center. We will make the paper as a plus sign and stick it as a circle. The next paper also we will do same like this. Take your scissors and cut it in the center of one paper till you reach the end of the circle. Again we were going to cut the paper like this. Till the circle ends we will cut it like this. Now we will get it like this. Take your scissors and cut it in the middle. Now again we are going to cut the paper in the middle of both the sides. Now open the paper. Now you will get it a square. So hope you enjoyed my channel. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.